Okay, today we will discuss the questions expected to come on Great Depression. So it was the economic decline throughout the world, right? What questions we are expecting? The definition of economic depression. So what we should write? It is a worldwide economic decline. Okay, you may be asked that the reason for it. Then you should write the reason is there was a decline in demand, right? There was a decline in demand and fall in price. This was the reason for economic depression. Okay, then what were the results of economic depression? Factories were closed, the prices of the goods increased, people's purchasing power reduced, uh, unemployment increased, right? There was a decline in the government jobs. So every nation is affected it. Stock markets collapsed in America. 25 percentage of the Americans and nearly 33 percentage of other countries people were unemployed, and the prices reduced by 60 percentage for agriculture products. So these were the results of the economic decline. So to overcome this economic decline, what is the policy introduced here, right? It is American President Franklin Roosevelt. He announced the New Deal policy to overcome the economic depression. For 1 mark, that is 2 mark, you may get a question, what is New Deal, right? Or you may get that what is the policy to overcome economic depression introduced by American president. You may be asked that what do you know of New Deal policy? So it's a New Deal policy introduced by American president Franklin D. Roosevelt. It consisted of 3 R's. How many? 3 R's. One is relief, second is reform, third is recovery. So what is reform? It is bringing certain changes in the financial institutions. That is reforms. Then what is relief? It is giving fund to overcome the depression. Several nations turned to the victims of the Great Depression. So to overcome it, they need financial assistance that is extended under New Deal policy, that is relief. And third is recovery, that is economic recovery. So these are the 3 R's under a New Deal policy. Okay, when you get a question, what is meant by New Deal policy instead, right? So this one you have to write. And there are different views on economic depressions. You may get another question in examination. What are the different views on economic depression? Here two views are given, right? That is economists and politicians. They were discussing about the causes for the economic decline. So their economists who believed in Marxism, they said that economic decline is because of the capitalism, and they given the way for overcoming it is establishment of socialism, right? And some other economists, that is J.M. Keynes. We may expect a question that what is the opinion of J.M. Keynes on economic depression, right? Here it is there, J.M. Keynes. He stated that the state have the responsibility to keep economy to going on. He stated that when economic decline takes place, then the state in the sense nation should invest funds and generate employment. Okay, so that people who find employment, they may demand goods in the market. In such a way, we find there is a recovery of economy from the economic decline. This is a opinion of J.M. Keynes. Okay, when you get a question that what are the two different views on economic depression, right, or what is the solution to overcome the economic depression, then you should write according to J.M. Keynes. Okay, this is also one question we are expecting in a examination. Okay, about 3 R's: New Deal policy and the two views on economic decline, then the reason for economic decline, definition of economic decline, results of the what economic decline. Okay, so these are the questions we are going to get in a examination. Okay, you may get for a long question, that is explain the situation in Germany during the economic depression. Okay, here you know that there economy Germany faced a very severe crisis, right, due to the economic depression and with the World War One. Okay, it was forced to pay damages to the victorious nations and other nations which suffered in World War One. So to overcome that, Germany have gone for printing the currencies, that you know that, right? And that led to inflation.